Hi everyone, my name is Sissy Rooney and I'm founder of the Street Style Surgery, and we provide workshops to young people right across the UK. I've been asked by Place to do some creative how-tos, so here I am. Today we are going to turn this, a juice carton or milk carton into a cool, you see this juice carton wallet, and you can open it like this, and then you can put money or your special keepsakes in there. So for this we will need some scissors, sharp ones, so maybe you could get some help with this, using the scissors if needs be. Just a black pen, stapler, you can use stickers or bits to decorate your wallet, some electrical tape. You can also use this to decorate your wallet, but it's not essential that you use this, and an elastic band as well. Oh, and a hole punch to make the hole, or you can just make the hole with your scissors. So we start off by cleaning whatever it is we're using. So this has been cleaned and I have released the sides here and there, and then I'm going to flatten it like this. You see, it's all flat now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the top and the bottom off. I'm going to take my scissors, see, cut all the way along, cut the top off, and then cut the bottom off also. So we don't need them no more. Now we have something that looks like this. And if we can push the sides in on both sides like this and make this zigzag shape, and then flatten it down. I usually use the side, this table, just to get a nice firm crease with that. So there you go. Then you're to decide which side you want to be the front of your wallet. As there is more pattern on this side, I'm going to decide that I want this to be the front of my wallet. So I'm going to lay that side flat down on the table. Let's go a bit so you can see. And then I'm going to take the top of the carton and I'm going to fold that about 5 centimeters down. 4.5, 5 centimeters. And this bit is going to form the flap of the closure of the wallet. And then I'm going to fold the bottom bit up to just under the top bit, like that. So can you see from the side? That goes over like that. There you go. So again, I'm going to squash this on the side and make the fold really firm. And then I'm going to open it again, laying it with the top at the top and the front of my wallet still at the back. And then I'm going to take my black pen and I'm just going to draw along that crease there, because we don't want this front bit of the flap, we just want the back bit. So if I open the wallet again, I'm now going to continue this line around. And the reason I'm not going to draw it across the front of the wallet, I'm just going to draw on the back and on the side. And the reason I'm doing that, and also I could draw up there as well, the reason I'm doing it is so we don't cut the front flap off, because sometimes you can just get a bit cut happy and cut the front flap off. So if you have a look, that's the front, there's no black line on there, but there's a black line on the side, there's a black line on the back, and there's a black line on the other side. So what I'm going to do, there you go, you can see the front there, I'm going to just cut down here, and then I'm going to cut along and all the way around. So if I show you, it will make a bit more sense. So I could there, so you can see I've cut down the side along, and now I'm going to carry on cutting this off all the way around. There you go. So there. And when you squash it all back together, you can see now that is your flap. So you can either keep this as a square, a flat bit, or do it as a curve. It's completely up to you. You could shape the edges or put it into a point. Right, so now we've got that. The next bit to do is to use the electrical tape, which you may have in your house, or any coloured tape really, and put this down the sides. So let's see. If I get a piece of this tape, I could just lay it down that side. And if you've got several colours, you could use several different colours of tape. So I'm just putting that down that side. And also in my sessions, I've seen young people make zigzags with this tape across the wallet, do angle lines. I've even seen the whole wallet covered in the tape, to be honest, and that looked really good. So down that side. You can take more time and care over this when you're doing it at home. See? So I've just put it up the wallet like that besides, and I've tucked it over the edges. Again, you could actually go all the way around the edges with the tape. You could go up the inside bits, and you could do stripes going across the front as well. Let's take that off. Then you just fold the wallet up like this. So can you see we now need to attach that bit and that bit together? And the best way, you can use some strong tape for that, or some like a glue gun, really strong gun, but I tend to use a stapler, and I get that in there like that, some weight on it, and there you go. Can you see it's stapled now? And that's nice and secure. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to shape the edge. So I'm going to put a bit of a curve on it. Like that. See? Curved. And then I take the bottom off the hole punch, so I can actually see the hole here. And then I'm going to line it up in the middle. I'll show you. In the middle of the flap. And now you can see. So once you've got the hole, you can get your elastic band and just poke it through a hole punch hole, and then you just put it back through itself. Can you see that? And it makes a knot on itself. Then you use that to close your wallet. And there you go, you have a juice carton wallet. Simple as that. You can also then take, see, some stickers here. See? Take some stickers and decorate your wallet. Some stars. And these are quite nice to make for, you know, your family, relatives, and you could put like a little special note in there saying how much you love them or what they mean to you. They make good containers for little gifts as well. There you go. So that is a juice carton wallet, and I hope you have fun making them at home. And when you have made some, it'd be great if you could post the pictures of what you've made below this video. Okay, thank you for listening to me do this how-to, and hope to see you again soon. Bye now.